longer than 5 seconds.
Doesn't want to count. Trunks, you can come out now. Okay.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw.
Imagine this lives in your home.
What?
George taking a walk.
I missed you too, Ivar. Yes, I did. I did miss you. That wasn't nice.
And Grand Rapids celebrating their new title as Beer City, USA in a very appropriate fashion later today. I'm Nicole DiDonato, live in East Town, and those details coming up. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's a way to start a Thursday, Nicole.
Grand Rapids beat out places like St. Louis, Chicago, even Milwaukee. So yeah, that's the latest we have here in East Town. Nicole DiDonato, Fox 17 News.
Oh my.
Ona chce tam wskakiwać.
Давай, иди скорее, иди, я тебя возьму в ёперный театр, а?
Hey, Tim Tim, you want some chicken? You want some chicken, Tim Tim? No, Billy, that's not for you. That's for me. Yeah. Okay. Why you look so mad? What? What the fuck?
Here comes the boy. Well, baby.
Oh, your backyard looks so fluffy tonight.
No.
C'est
quoi?
You know, give me some.
Quoi?
You know, give me some. Tongue look right tonight.
Waffle?